Hey, welcome back to my channel, Unique World, and if you are new, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Unique World, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing crochet braids. I guess it's passion braids, goddess braids. I'm not exactly what to call it, but I'll give you some different hairstyles on the screen so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. But yes, I'm going to try to install some quick crochet braids. So the first thing I want to do is go ahead and braid my hair to where they look like box braids. So I'm just going to split my hair up like this. And let me go get my clips real quick. Okay, so you already know when you do crochets that your hair braided doesn't have to be like neat. So I'm just gonna split up this part of my hair, and just so you can see how I'm going to be braiding my hair. Now all you have to do is grab some gel and put it on the roots of your hair. You can always leave some hair out to slick down some baby hair if you would like. But all you have to do is go ahead and braid your hair in three sections, and you're just going to braid your hair. So this is good for people who don't know how to cornrow. Because all you're going to actually do is just put individual braids in your hair to form the box parts. Now you're just going to split your hair into another box section. And then you're going to add more gel to your roots. And you're going to split it into two. When you split it into two sections from that box part, you're going to go ahead and grab the braid that you already grabbed, and you're just going to braid that hair into those two parts. And this is going to give you the illusion of box braids when you do your crochets. And then from there, you just repeat the process until you get to the back of your hair. Okay, and here is what it looks like. Like I said, it doesn't have to be neat. Just as long as you kind of get the illusion of the split box braids. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like after I've done the illusion cornrows or braids to the back. And you kind of see how it has like a part right here, a part right there. So yes, and let me turn it around so you can see it. And then with these hanging out, I'm just gonna tuck these in. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like, and it is time to crochet the braids in the hair. The hair that I have can be purchased on Amazon, and I'll leave that information in the description down below. I really like it because it doesn't shed that much. They give you 8 packs of hair and a crochet needle. Okay, so you're going to get your crochet needle, place it in the cornrow, and you can try to get it to where it's in the middle of the box, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Then you're going to go ahead and attach the hair onto the needle, and you're going to close it, close the latch, and then you're going to pull it through. And it's a good idea not to get your cornrows to be extra tight either, because I was struggling right here. But yeah, once you get it through, then you're going to take the crochet needle out the loop, and you're going to open up that loop and place the braid inside so that it will form a knot. So I actually thought it was going to be a little difficult to put the hair inside the loop because you have the extra curls hanging outside of the braid. But it really wasn't that difficult to do because all you have to do is just pull the hair through the loop and you're good to go. And now you're just going to go ahead and just crochet the braids into your whole entire head until it's full and you're unable to see any of your cornrows. Okay, and here is what the crochet braids look like so far. I'm really loving the color of the hair. So I don't know if I want to keep it this long, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and probably cut it to even it out some. Boho box braids, goddess braids, crochets. I really hope that you like it. Definitely make sure that you subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you do not miss out on another video. And don't forget to like and comment and let me know what you think of these braids. Very quick and simple. So definitely a go-to when you're trying to get some braids, but you don't want to do individuals. And I really like them. Thanks. Until next time. Peace.